Okay, let's talk about the day 4 of our rapid revision series मॉडर्न इंडिया का। डे 4 में हमने रखा है 1942 से लेकर 1947 पार्टीशन तक। In many ways, lot of things were happening one after another, starting from the Cripps Mission, ending up in India's partition and India's independence. Cripps Mission एक टाइप का desperation था, where World War II was at its peak. Churchill was very desperate for support from India. And they came up with the idea of dominion status, जिसमें कि provinces और states को secession का भी right था. And of course, both the Congress and also the Muslim League rejected this. But the fact is, the consequence of the Cripps mission was the Quit India movement, the INA itself in 1943 under Subhash Chandra Bose. उसके बाद जो INA का trials था, that shaped the public perception, जो कि वेवल प्लान को भी अफेक्ट किया. Thereafter, whatever came up as a part of Capit mission plan, it was almost like one after another the events were unfolding. It was almost like granted that India would have been partitioned in any case. This part of India's history, part of modern India, you invariably have 5-6 questions if you look up the last 6-7 years. It's a very important part. और ये sequence आपको date में ही याद रखने पड़ेंगे. What happened, what was the stance of Congress, the stance of Muslim League, what happened in the first round acceptance and then rejection by the Muslim League in some of the suggestions of the Capit Mission plan and also the Wavell plan. So this revision will not take you more than 15-20 pages of document. I'm sharing with you on our Telegram channel, Shabir Educami for IAS, and also the link where you can download this and study on your own. Happy revision. Stick with me. आपका इसी तरह से मॉडर्न इंडिया एंड ऑल्सो पॉलिटी आपका रिवाइज करा देंगे बिफोर December the 15 when our prelim support program the PSP starts. All the best, Shabir from Educate.